Take your own axe, face at me. I don't have weapons, please kill me. But my army has many soldiers. I don't have guns, only war numbers of a death you have on board. I'm commander with my orders. Do you have chainsaw? I have forest. Only you're greedy, I must. Your destroying has no borders. You are rider, I'm your horse. Your power will fall to your fire. Do you want to have wooden table? You do not, it's fable. I'm still adding your higher. You are my Trojan, your boss. I'm behind you, a scary ghost. I'll defeat your modern empire. You have a chance, but you are my foe. You are a child, my soldiers are your toe. Worse like your great fathers. My army wants to revenge your fallen brothers. General nature, your imperator will destroy you. You are still fighting. I'm ready for war. I need silence. But your crushing job is everywhere, doing only for finance. Prepare your men to my anger. Please don't stop your great hunger. I have planned for sudden strike. This is fiction which I like. You can pray for my grace, for the peace of concrete place. Out of control is a custody. We're a choice in every city. Society needs nature for life. I'm not danger like your knife. We can fight, but this is wild. Destruction is our child. It is strong like an bomb. Hostility is our tool. But if you throw your killing axe, you will see my peaceful face.